Financial statement analysis is about studying historical financials to understand more about a company's business. How has it evolved in recent years? What is its current outlook? Which are the major line items to be considered? Is the company able to make money? How liquid is it at the moment? Is there significant danger of solvency issues in the future? What is the ratio between operating income and interest expenses? These are some very important questions a proper financial statement analysis can answer. Given that one of the main concerns about Tesla is that it is not financially stable and continues to burn cash, it would be very interesting to analyze the company from multiple sides: profitability and growth, liquidity, working capital, and solvency. This information will help us understand Tesla's historical performance, and in addition to that, will give us important clues about what can be expected in the future for the company.